forget where you're coming from. Kingston go set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another house hunting video in Jamaica. Now today we present to you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment for sale in the brand new development Grosvenor Terrace in Kingston 8. Now this development is walking distance to Manor Park. This development consists of 16 units in total spread over 2 blocks. There are 8 units in each block. Now some of the amenities include elevator, pool, parking spaces. Each bedroom has 4 windows which make it very airy and full of light. Also it will be plumbed for AC as well. There is also additional visitor parking spaces available. Now like I said, this development is very close to Manor Park and Manor Park Plaza that you can see now. At Manor Park Plaza, there are an array of shops and restaurants. There are eateries, there is a spa there, there are pharmacies there are banks there. So guys, you'll be close to all of the essential amenities that you'll need, and all just a walk away from Grosvenor Terrace. Now this apartment comes with high ceilings, open floor concept, modern finishes and fixtures, and in-unit laundry too. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit is 1,200 square feet. It is a top floor apartment, so you'll get access to all of those beautiful views. Each bedroom has 4 windows, so there will be lots of natural light, and as said, they are plumbed for AC. Cost. So the maintenance on this unit is 20,000 Jamaican dollars per month, and the price for this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit is 50 million Jamaican dollars, or nearest offer to that price. If you're interested or want to find out some more details about this unit, please do contact me on the number on your screen. If you are interested in purchasing this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit at Grosvenor Terrace, please do give me a call on the number on the screen, or if you just request further information about this unit, please also give me a call on the number on the screen. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and until next time, that me say.